Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. So last class we have been discussing about chapter 18, fundamental concepts of algebra. So let's continue with the chapter. Next, products and factors. So let's take one example, 5xy. 5xy means 5 into x into y. So here 5xy, this is the product, okay, product of 5x and y, okay. 5xy is the product of 5x and y, okay. So product is the result of multiplication of two or more constants or variables or both, okay. It is the product of it is the multiplication of two or more constants or variables or both, okay. Next, here 5xy equal to 5 into x into y. This 5x and y, 5x and y are the factors of 5xy, okay. 5x and y are the factors of 5xy, okay. So factor means each constant and each literal multiplied together to form a product, that is called a factor. Here 5x and y are multiplied to form the product 5xy. So 5x and y are the factors of the product 5xy, okay. So if 5xy equal to 5 into x into y, then 5xy is the product of 5x and y, and 5x and y are the factors of the product 5xy, okay. This coefficient are of two types, numeral coefficient and a literal coefficient. So numeral coefficient means it contains only numerical quantity, okay. For example, we can take a coefficient of, here in this example, coefficient of axy, we got it 5. So here only number is coming, no variable is coming, okay. No variable is coming in answer, only new coefficient of axy, it is 5. So it is a numerical quantity. So such coefficients will comes under numerical coefficient, okay. So what about literal coefficient? If the factor involves letters, if it involves variables, it is called a literal coefficient, that is axy. Coefficient of 5 equal to xy, that is literal coefficient of 5, okay. Now literal coefficient of y is 5ax. Now literal coefficient of 5a is xy. But numerical coefficient of axy is 5, since it does not contain any literal or variable, okay. Others are literal coefficients, okay. That is what you mean by numerical coefficient and a literal coefficient. Numerical coefficient contains only number. Literal coefficient involves variables and letters, combination of variables and numbers, okay. Next, unlike terms. Unlike terms means they have different literal coefficient, okay. They do not have same literal coefficient. Such terms are called unlike terms. So let's take example 6a, 6ab and 6ac. So in this 6a, the literal coefficient is a, okay. In 6ab, the literal coefficient is ab, okay. You can take all the all the variables except the constant, okay. Now 6ac, the literal coefficient is ac. Okay, so the literal coefficient are different, I mean not same, so they are unlike terms. Okay, next example, 2xy, 2x square y, 2xy square. So here in the first term 2xy, the literal coefficient is xy. Okay, in the second term 2x square y, the literal coefficient is x square y. xy, in the first term it is xy, second term it is x square y. In the third term the literal coefficient is xy square. Three are different. Okay, xy, that is one type, x square y is another, xy square is another. Okay, so these are unlike terms. Now let's do one problem, group the like terms together. So you have to find what is like terms, which are like terms. Okay, so here 4x, this contain the literal coefficient here is x. Now in this term minus x, the literal coefficient is x here. Okay, again 2 by 3x, here also the literal coefficient is x. Okay, so 4x minus 3y, minus x and 2 by 3x, these will form like terms. Okay, here all these terms the literal coefficient is the same, that is x. Okay, next minus 3y, 4 by 5y and y, minus 3y, 4 by 5y and y. In all these terms the literal coefficient is y. Okay, here in this term the literal coefficient is y, here also y, here also y, so these will form like terms. Okay, let's take another example, a minus ab square, b square a square, 7b square a, minus 3a square b square and 2ab square. Okay, so first let us take this minus ab square. Let's find another terms containing this literal coefficient ab square. Okay, so second one, that is different, b square a square. Okay, now third one, 7b square a. Okay, here b square a is same as ab square. Okay, ab square is equal to b square a. We know that multiplication is commutative. Okay, a into b square, we can write it as b square into a. So these are same. Okay, so this also contain 7b square a also contains same literal coefficient ab square. Okay, so next here a square b square is coming, so that we cannot take. Next 2ab square, here also the literal coefficient is ab square. Okay, so these will form 2ab square minus ab square, 7b square a, 2ab square will form like terms. Next b square a square and minus 3a square b square, these will form another set of like terms. Okay, here the literal coefficient is b square a square, here the literal coefficient is a square b square, both are same, a square b square equal to b square a square. Okay, so these are like terms. Now let's do exercise 18b problems. So up to question number 6 we did it in earlier classes. So let's do the 7th problem. Write down the coefficient of x in the following monomials. So coefficient means what, that you know, that is coefficient can be factors or a group of factors. That is the coefficient of the remaining factors. So first question, x. So here x means 1x it is. So the coefficient of x is the remaining factor 1. Okay, coefficient of x here is 1 because x means 1x. Okay. Second one, minus x. Minus x means minus 1x. Okay. If no number is given along with one variable means it is 1x, or minus x means minus 1x. So here coefficient of x means minus 1. Okay. The remaining factor minus 1. Okay. Third one, minus 3x. So here coefficient of x is the remaining factor minus 3. Okay. Fourth one, minus 5ax. So coefficient of x is the remaining factors minus 5a. Okay. Next, 3 by 2 xy. So here coefficient of x is the remaining factor. Three factors are there, 3 by 2 and y. 3 by 2 x and y. So the coefficient of x will be 3 by 2y. The remaining factors 3 by 2y. Okay, 3 by 2 into y it is 3 by 2y. Next, sixth one, ax by y. So the coefficient of x will be a by y. The remaining factor a by y. Okay, coefficient of one factor will be the remaining factors. Okay. Eighth question, write the coefficients of first one, x in minus 3 xy square. Okay, so x in minus 3 xy square. So the coefficient of a factor will be the remaining factors. So the remaining factors in minus 3 xy square is except x, write all the other factors, that is minus 3 y square. So the coefficient of x in minus 3 xy square, it is minus 3 y square. Second one, x in minus ax. So coefficient of x will be the remaining factor minus a. Okay. Y in minus y. So the coefficient of y in minus 1, y means minus 1y. Okay. So that will be minus 1. Okay. Next, y in 2 by ay. So except y, what is the factor given? 2 by a. So the coefficient of y into 2 by ay is 2 by a. Okay. Fifth one, xy in minus 2 xyz. So coefficient of xy you need to find here. So you can write the remaining factors, that is minus 2 z. That is the coefficient of xy in minus 2 xyz. Okay. Ninth question, state the numeral coefficient of the following monomials. So you know what do you mean by numeral coefficient? That is, if a factor is a numerical quantity or if the factor is a number, it is called a numeral coefficient. So let's see, first one, 5xy. So 5xy, in 5xy the numeral coefficient is, what is the number here? 5. So the numeral coefficient is 5. And in ABC, so in ABC means 1 ABC. Okay, so what is the numeral coefficient here? 1. Okay, in numeral coefficient no variable will come. Okay, you can't write any variable. The answer will be in number only. Okay, so in what is the coefficient of numeral coefficient of ABC? It is 1. Okay, next third one, 5 PQR. So it is numeral coefficient is 5. Okay, next fourth one, minus 2x by y. So the numeral coefficient is minus 2. Fifth one, 2 by 3 xy square. So here the numerical coefficient is 2 by 3. This is the numeral quantity in this term. Okay, 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is the numeral coefficient of 2 by 3 xy square. Next, sixth one, minus 15xy by 2z. So here also minus 15 by 2. This is the numeral coefficient of this term, minus 15xy by 2z. Okay. Seventh one, minus 7x division y. So here minus 7x division y, we can write it like this, minus 7x by y. Okay, so here the number is minus 7. So the numeral coefficient is minus 7. Okay. Eighth one, minus 3x division 2y. So minus 3x division 2y, we can write it like this, by 2y. So here the numeral quantity is minus 3 by 2. So numeral coefficient is minus 3 by 2. Okay. Only the number will come in numeral coefficient. Okay. So now homework, exercise 18b. In that 8th question, 6, 7 and 8. Do this as homework. Thank you.